factor by grouping. This time we're going to include some with a GCF. That means there's going to be a greatest common factor they can factor out first. So let's look at this first problem. We have 20a cubed minus 60a squared minus 25a plus 75. So the first step is to look at the entire thing. Is there a number or a variable that can go into all four places? And it has to be all four. And if I look at it, they are all divisible by 5. So I am going to factor out that 5. And that's going to leave behind 20 divided by 5, 4. I didn't take any a's out, so a cubed. 60 divided by 5, which is 12. I didn't change the a, so that's a squared. Negative 25 divided by 5, which is negative 5. And 75 divided by 5, which is 15. And now we're going to do just like yesterday with the factoring by grouping, but we're going to use what's in the parentheses only. We're going to ignore the green for right now. So on my first two terms, what can come out? They're both divisible by 4, and they both have an a squared. And so that's going to leave me behind an a minus 3. That 5 is still up there in the front. We're just ignoring it right now. And it's going to be 5 times this whole thing. So let's take our second section. And we are going to look and see what will divide into both those pieces. And a negative 5 will divide into both. Because that first term is negative, we want to do it as a negative. So negative 5 divided by negative 5 is just an a. So we didn't change the a's. Positive 15 divided by negative 5 is a negative 3. And still, just keeping in mind that 5 is up in the front. So now, we're going to rewrite it. So that 5 is still up in the front. I'm going to take what can be brought out. So that parenthesis that matches, a minus 3. And I am going to write what was left behind. And that is going to be the a to the second minus 5. And so this whole thing is my answer.